let's explore together what is 8 divided by half. Now, this may seem to be a very difficult task for most of us, but if we know the correct definition of division, which is never told in schools, and even if it is told, it is never emphasized there, it can actually become a cakewalk for all of us. Not just 8 by half, but any so-called complicated and even nested division question. So if you and your child are able to master this, doing any division problem will never be a problem. And what's more, mark my words, even a 5-year-old can master this. So let's begin with the definition of division. So any division expression is written as A by B. And that means how many B's in A. So the correct definition, and actually never told before, the definition of division is how many B's in A. When you just start questioning this in any division expression, you'll find the quotient. For example, if I ask you, what is 8 by 2? Now let's question this. How many 2's in 8? So basically, division is a form of regrouping. You have a quantity which is 8, and it is to be grouped in 2's now. So let's see that visually. I have 8 sticks before me, and I need to find out how many groups are there. And in each group, I have a 2. So how many 2's in 8? So basically, I have 4 2's in 8. So that is 8 by 2 is 4. Now, similarly, ask yourself, what is 8 by half? So now we have existing quantity of 8, and we need to find out how many groups can be formed, each consisting of half. So let's find that out. How many halves in 8? So if I have again 8 sticks, and I need groups of half now. So there are 2 groups of half in 1. And similarly, I'll have 16 groups, each consisting of a half. So 8 by half, that means how many halves in 8? And that is 16 halves. So it is not just 16, it is 16 halves. So you can imagine keeping 8 apples in front of you, and you can cut them into half pieces, each of them, and you have 16 halves before you. So 8 by half is 16 halves. So I'm sure that's a eureka moment for all of you by discovering that 8 by half is not just 16, because 99% of us do not know what is this 16. How could something which is 8 become 16 when divided? So it is basically 16 halves. So you can actually apply the same definition to another question, which is 8 by half by 1 by 4 by 2. And I'm sure you as a parent will make your child's math journey fascinating. But one thing, your child is unique in himself. So be supportive, be patient, and make this journey exciting. Thank you.